Hi guys, welcome back to another training video. And today I am going to teach you how to create a project in Ollie. So first thing we need to do after logging in is go to projects, then click the create project here on top. Then we can select the client. So let's try ABC Corporation. We already uh, discussed in another on another training video how to create a default or assign this, so I'm not going to go through that anymore. So let's try to monthly. Project name would be monthly bookkeeping. Then let's try November 2023 and start date. Since this is for November, statements will be available on the 4th and the must be done by the middle of the month. So it's now we're still in the project and we don't know where to go, so you can just go to search bar and filter it ABC Corporation. This is the one we just did. Then we can add tasks here, like for example compile or like download bank statements. Then you can add description, and we can also play this around if we want to have this prepared. So also you can clear this too, and create comment and add review notes. So clicking this X button will save this automatically. So we can create another one. Let's try make sure everything has a vendor name. So like same or like add task compile reconciliation, compile recon and bank statement, and then you can close this and add task, make sure and save to file cabinet. So there you go. So this is how we do a project here in Ollie. So once we're done here and you think that this will the process is similar to some of your clients, you can go to manage and duplicate the project. And for example, this is also applicable to XYZ Corporation. You can click that, and like for example, this one, there's a backlog on the project. You can just go ahead and click October, and there you go. And if you want to duplicate this and like change this again, this time it's gonna be for November, you can do so. So there you go. Also, you can play around this as well. Aside from changing it here, you can also change it here, and like for Zap, and I want here. There you go. So that is it. That is how you create a project in Ollie. And if you have question or clarification you wanted to raise regarding this video, feel free to email us at support@ollie.com.ph, and I hope to see you guys on the next training video. Bye bye.